Hi everybody. My name is Anh, and I'm from Vietnam. It's my honor to be here in this conference. So today I'm going to talk about WordPress and use it as a marketing tools for your marketing plans. So my talk basically answers two questions, like what WordPress can do for you and how you can do that. A little bit about myself. So basically, I'm a WordPress developer, kind of a technical guy. I've been working with WordPress for more than 13 years, and I founded a web agency called Eliapt, where we develop websites for domestic and international clients. We also develop several products for WordPress. You can see at the bottom logo. The MetaBox is a plugin for WordPress with more than 400,000 of active users. We also developed the template shop for WordPress called Greater Themes, and an SEO plugin for WordPress. You can connect with me on Twitter or Facebook here. Regarding this slide, you can download the slide or see it online here, bit.ly/eims-anh. This is the address. It's online. So, how many of you here have heard about WordPress? Please raise your hand. Okay, great. So maybe a lot. For the ones who haven't known about WordPress, the first question maybe appeared in your mind is, why do you should use WordPress? This is, you can take a look at this, this picture I just took a few days ago. This is the Tran, on Google Tran. I compare WordPress with other platforms like Shopify, Joomla, Wix, and Drupal. The blue line is WordPress, and the other platform is bottom. Basically, WordPress is the most popular CMS in the world. In fact, it takes more than 1/3 of the all websites in the world. So every 3 websites created every day, 1 website is created by WordPress. The second thing I think might be very interesting to use because WordPress is super SEO friendly. If you use other platforms just like Wix or Shopify, it might be harder for you to customize it for search engines like Google or Bing. But WordPress can do all these things for you easily. And SEO, since the beginning day of WordPress, SEO is one of the big focus on WordPress. Every theme, every template built with WordPress, SEO is like one important factor. So when you use WordPress, actually you just use WordPress and you can do nothing. The search engine will automatically find your website. I actually had a client. They created a website on WordPress and they didn't do anything technically for SEO. And after 1 month, their website appeared on Google. The other thing about WordPress is super easy to use. It might just take 5 or 10 minutes to get you familiar with the platform, and you can do almost everything, basically, like creating a post, creating a page, adding some images, change some text. It's very easy to use, even for beginners, for marketers, or website owners. But the best thing about WordPress is it's super powerful. You can customize the website the way you want. If you need to change the appearance, you can do this with a few clicks. If you want to add a contact form to your website, just install a plugin. If you need to create a landing page, you can do that. Everything is like easy with WordPress. And actually, WordPress has more than 50,000 of plugins to help you to add more features to websites. And regarding the templates, WordPress has more than 7,000 of free themes, so you can just install inside the WordPress admin area. You can search for that, find the theme you might like, and install it with just a few clicks. 7,000 of themes, so you can just use. Besides that, you can buy premium themes from theme shops and on marketplace. There are maybe more than 10,000 of other themes as well. So with WordPress, we can say we can do everything. So the first thing you might think about WordPress is how to use it to create a website. I think most of you here are not an IT guy, so maybe you need to hire a web agency to do the websites for you, or hire a developer to build a website for you. But actually, you can build websites yourself. It's super easy, and I'll show you 2 ways to do that. The first way to do that is after installing WordPress, you can just choose a free theme on WordPress.org, and then you can customize it. As I said before, there are 7,000 free themes you can choose for your business, for your blog, portfolio, photography, like many kinds of websites you can find on WordPress.org, and they are all free. After downloading and installing the theme, most of the theme have some options for you to customize. And if you know a little bit about CSS or coding, you can change the appearance, add more things like you want to the website. But this might be the hard way, because you need to know a little bit about coding, like CSS thing. Actually, I do not recommend that way to marketers or website owners. The second way you can do that is you use a powerful theme with a page builder. When I say powerful theme, it's actually a theme, but it has a lot of customization for you. Like you can change the layout of the logo, the menu, change the text, the colors, the typography, or change the layout of the blog post. There are a lot of options you can use in the powerful themes. I added several recommended themes here: Astra, Ocean, WP, Generate Press. These themes are free on WordPress.org. You can try it on your website right now. But that's not the end, because a theme can help you to change almost everything, but not everything. Like building a landing page, you might need a tool called Page Builder. Page Builder basically is a tool for you to drag and drop all the things into a page. Like you can insert a YouTube video, insert an image, or change headlines, change some text, add a call to action. All these things you can do with a page builder. And with this combination, you can customize your website visually. Like you don't need to know any coding. Just install them, explore the options, and try it, the drag and drop interface. And you can build a website, a landing page easily. Can you please turn on the video here? Yes, just click on this. I will show you how a page builder can do for you. Let's watch a video, just 1 minute. Just click on that. Yes.
So, you've spent months crafting a beautiful website for a client, but now they're sending countless emails requesting updates and edits. What if you could have created that same website in days instead of months? And your client could make changes to all the pages themselves. Say hello to Beaver Builder. Beaver Builder is a complete design package for creating responsive WordPress websites without touching a line of code. It works on the front end of your site, meaning the designs you create are exactly what your visitors will see after you hit publish. With Beaver Builder, anyone can easily create columns, perfectly position images and text, and whip up rich content pages that include things like tabs, slideshows, videos, and more. Beaver Builder makes HTML code a thing of the past. Beaver Builder also includes dozens of beautiful templates that makes designing easy. You can quickly publish a landing page, services page, about page, or any other essential website page. Just choose a template, swap out the images and text with your own, and you're done.
Back to slide, please. So this is a video about a page builder called Beaver Builders. There is also another solution called Elementor Page Builder. Later today, there's a talk about using WordPress page builder called Elementor. So you guys might be attend to get more details about that. Okay. Creating a landing page in WordPress is similar to creating a website. So you can just use a powerful theme and page builder to build all these things easily. And actually, with the tools of page builder, you can clone landing page into multiple versions. So if you run multiple marketing campaigns or marketing like ads, you can compare them, which one is better. It takes just a few minutes to duplicate a landing page and modify it. The second thing I want to share with you today is how to generate lead with WordPress. Basically, there are various kind of things you can do on the website to generate leads, and I will go to 4 methods: forms, pop-ups, notification bar, and CTA. So for the forms, there are a lot of free forms plugin for WordPress that you can use. I recommend the Gravity Forms is a premium forms plugin, and Candera Forms which is free. When using forms, you need to care about two things: where to put the forms and how users interact with your forms. Where to put the forms is very important if you put it on a landing page. So maybe it's in the top, on the middle, on the bottom, or you can put a form across the website, like I put here. This is after the content in a blog post, or I can put it here. It's in the right bottom, similar to a live chat, so people can access to the form always. And design the form flow. It's kind of after submit the form, what happened? So with an advanced form plugin, you can do like this. After submit the form, for example, this is online registration form I made for a university. After they submit the form, they will be taken to a quiz page. So they can take a quiz and to see the score of their test. Or after submit the form, they will be registered as an user on the website, so they can visit the website later to see their details. Another way to generate leads is via pop-ups, that you can use a plugin like Bloom or Optimonster to create a pop-ups for email capturing. And this is another pop-ups that you can use to send the discounts to users. Basically, all these things can be done easily with WordPress. The notification bar is kind of the notification bar you can put. And here is another plugin that I recommend, or you can use just the page builder. Another way, a very similar, very common way to generating leads is via call to action buttons. That you can see here, that when you click a button, you can chat with them on Facebook or WhatsApp. It's called floating action button, that you can use the plugin called Buttonizer, or you can integrate with Facebook customer chat or any live chat service on WordPress. It's easily to do that. Another way is sales pop-up that you can see here. Like when visitors visit a website, a pop-up appears saying that someone just bought your service or your product. So the next thing I want to share is how to track conversion on the website. There are various ways to check conversion on the websites. The most important thing is how many clicks your audience click on your link. To do that, you can use like techniques like shorten links or Google campaigns with UTM parameters. These techniques are not specifically for WordPress. You can use it everywhere. But you can, in WordPress, you can use a plugin called Yours to create your own shorten link service and with your own domain names. With your own domain name, it increases the reliability and the trust to your customers. Another way to check conversion on the website is how many clicks on this button, how many form submissions that this form location creates. And for that, digital marketers just like you usually use Google Tag Manager. But in WordPress, you can use the plugin called Gravity Forms that I show you a screenshot here. This shows how many conversion does it make, how many form submissions per impression form make. So you don't have to need any another solution for form submission. Okay. The last thing I want to share with you is SEO is very important for any website in long term. In WordPress, maybe you need to consider about the content audit, how your content is good enough. Like you need to check the keyword density, the links, internal links, the images, the alt tag. All these kind of technical things can be done easily for you with a plugin called Your Sales. There are also many other plugins for SEO, but Your Sales is doing really great on this task, content audit. This is a screenshot of the plugin. Other SEO features like sitemap, schema, breadcrumbs, and redirections, you can also use plugins to do that automatically for you, like plugin Slim Cell, schema redirection. This is the sitemap generated by the Slim Cell plugin. And another techniques related to SEO is not exactly SEO, but it helps improve the user experience and thus increase the SEO score for your website is page loading time. In WordPress, you can use several plugins to reduce the page loading time and optimize your image or lazy load your images. These are the plugins I recommend auto-optimize for reduce the page loading time. Smash, this is a screenshot for the Smash plugin, which is an image optimization plugin and a lazy load plugin. So this is my talk. Do you have any questions? I'm happy to answer. Oh, okay. Okay. Health consultation company. Okay. In any kind of service like health consultancy, it's actually like a normal service. In WordPress, you can build a website to show your service there, show your customers' testimonials. All of these things can be done with page builders that I already showed. To do the consultancy good, you might want to add like the call to actions to your website, like I show you, the floating buttons, the live chat, and the forms to contact to generate leads for your website. To do the heat map, actually there is a plugin for that, but I think the third-party service is doing this better, like Hotjar, and all these third-party services can be integrated into WordPress easily. They provide some code you can just insert into the website, and everything is done. Check the bounce rate. Actually, checking bounce rate is done best by Google Analytics. We recommend using Google Analytics for that, and install Google Analytics and provide other metrics from Google Analytics to WordPress is easily. There is a plugin that integrates WordPress with Google Analytics, so you can just use that. So, how to prevent malware? Okay, so security is very important to WordPress. And to answer a question about security, it actually involves with various aspects of a website, like hosting. Like if you host a website on a shared hosting, there will be a security risk. But if you use own server or VPS, it will be safer. In WordPress, to prevent the attack, you can use some plugins just like iTheme security or WordFence. They provide like a layer, security layer to your website, but it's not enough, and you need to maybe hire a developer to do this, all the security for your WordPress website. Okay. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can reach me personally. I will be here all day. So thank you for listening.